Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumandabam. First, the headlines. Manipur State Legal Services Authority conducts fourth and final National Lok Adalat across district courts in Manipur, sets target to resolve 2,900 cases. Border Roads Organization resumes fencing along Indo-Myanmar border in Technopol district under Project Sewak. And 5-day-long Shumang Leela festival kicks off at Iboyama Shumang Leela Shanglei. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform, SKTV in Manipur, that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. The fourth and final National Lok Adalat for the 2024 calendar year was held across various district courts, including those in Imphal today. The National Lok Adalat was organized by Manipur State Legal Services Authority, MSLSA, with the aim to settle 2,900 cases which are pending or in pre-litigation stage. Civil disputes, accident claims, bank-related cases, matrimonial disputes, labor disputes, land disputes, compoundable criminal cases and pre-litigation matters would be addressed during the Lok Adalat. Out of the total 2,900 cases which have been registered, 1,886 cases will be settled at Imphal East and Imphal West. Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Justice D. Krishna Kumar, along with other judges of the High Court, inspected the Lok Adalat that was carried at Lumphil Court Complex and Bishnupur District Court. Speaking to media in this regard, Additional Member Secretary of Manipur Legal Services Authority, Bineshwari Maibam, said the participation of academicians in the Lok Adalat will help popularize the National Lok Adalat, which aims to resolve pending cases through amicable settlements.
Settle the Wayaba cases, say matrimonial cases, except divorce, criminal compoundable cases, check bound cases, as well as civil cases. Aduga sigi maraksida pre-litigation matters to yaugani akoina Lok Adalat sida settle the wayabase. Pre-litigation matters sida telephone bills, electricity bills, adagi water bills. Issue loina yaugani as well as bank issue. Lok Adalat sida akoina refer kamai tauge habda kanda parties ani na moy amicable settlement yanaraga purakpadu adune akoina Lok Adalat settle tawrisi. So akoi ngasigi numit sida same atopa district su simultaneously loina Lok Adalat si pangthui Lok Adalat si akoina special even special Lok Adalat su hold akoina situation gi matung ina if darkar oirgadi si so zoom akoi special Lok Adalat hold tawani special Lok Adalat si I think handak jahi gi di akoi kaino tawdi akoi laitri adubu mamanga di akoi tawbe.
In a crucial development, the fencing work along Indo-Myanmar border has reportedly resumed in general area of Moray in Technopol district, despite opposition from various organizations, including Kuki village chiefs in border villages of Manipur. Pro-Defense Manipur, Nagaland and South Arunachal in a post on X has confirmed the development which is being undertaken by Project Sewak. The border fencing along Indo-Myanmar border has been a contentious issue, with some opposing the fence as they fear of losing land, while Kuki and Naga organizations claiming that their ethnic bonds transcends across border. And on the contrary, some are demanding the border fencing in order to tackle the influx of illegal immigrants from neighboring countries. The annual 5-day Shumang Leela festival inaugurated today at Iboyama Shumang Leela Shanglei in Palace Compound. The festival is a joint venture of Manipur Lengaki Department of Art and Culture and Manipur State Shumang Leela Council in collaboration with Ministry of Culture, Eastern Zonal Cultural Center. Speaking at the opening program, member of Board of Governors EZCC Buddha Chingtham explained the difficulties faced in organizing the festival during the ongoing conflict. He emphasized the importance of Shumang Leela in the society while highlighting that Shumang Leela is one of the oldest art form in the world. Buddha further expressed concern about the current state of the art form, stating that it is a complex art form.
One of the most obvious point for the primarily budget on single Sumanga forms. Equity Mabani, Russian theatre, Western theatre, Context, all equipment such as the Nakun, equity budget, almost at the hectare, Shumang, Maya, and a high level of consing safety. Say, seeing the Ramada, either like a background officer, like Rava, like how we talk to that, what you can be performing art from the practically king of the performing art and that machine. It could be absolutely clever, smart, machine, Manum, some of Udon, much the road from Lok Adalat, such a
A combined team of security forces and district administration has destroyed poppy plantation at Ukhrul district yesterday. The drive was a part of the government's mission to eradicate drugs from the state. The combined team comprising of Ukhrul Police, 6 MR, Forest Department, 18 Assam Rifles and District Administration destroyed 50 acres of poppy plantation in Khamasun hill ranges of Ukhrul district. This brings the total to 160 acres cleared in the district over the past few days. The team also destroyed 9 sheds used for cultivating poppy. Police has registered an FIR for further investigation. Ishok Apunba Club is set to repurpose the Ishok Chingmang paddy fields under Nambol constituency for agricultural activities to support the people of Manipur amid the ongoing crisis, which has persisted for over 2 years. Following the consent of the paddy field owners, 3 tractors have been deployed to begin cultivation. The initiative aims to distribute the resulting agricultural produce to those affected by the crisis. Speaking to media, President of Ishok Apunba Club Branch, Social Development Institute, Huidrom Sundar, stressed the need to usher in a green revolution to achieve food sustainability. He highlighted that the program also seeks to instill a strong habit of work among youth by encouraging them to grow varieties of vegetables. Sundar expressed his gratitude to the paddy field owners for the consent to use their land for the cultivation. He also urged the relevant authorities to ensure the availability of seeds to support the initiative.
Pharmacy number General Gimanung Channel Liba, show Hariba Kungang Asidani, Hariba Kungang Asigi, Apun Club Nasinja Langeduna, Chimang Labu Haina Kanariba, Mapharmacy, Lorok Pantalo, Kibaga, Donana, Hang Liba Mapharmacy, Akoi, Sinja Credo or Suputuk Nabaki Pandamda, Junction Zabakongtani, Punba Clubna, Bonajaribasi, Aluga, Loina, Potori Potoasi, Kogi, Awana Tarba, Kogi Lan, Gisaking Laba, Chinau Shingi, Mafamda Credo or Su, Kudol Tambangam Bagi. Wakalonduda sanction Jabani, Koina appeal to Janing Badi, Lojing Loya the Lady Ba, Kogi Club, Organization Sing, Kungang Sing the Libiri by Chilnau, Quai Kivigna, Magi Zagada, Hang Dona Lady Belofam Singasi, Daitelo Biraga, Asangba, Green River Salama Purapada, Asawatodang Luminasi, Haiba, or Fomsi, Apunba Club, Shoki Makidegi, appeal to Jari.
Security forces have arrested 4 armed miscreants, including 1 KNF cadre from Laijang village, Churachandpur district, for terrorizing the villagers of Laijang by brandishing weapons. The arrested individuals were identified as KNF cadre Thangchiam Haukip, 27, Kamnyan, 34, Malsung, 20, and Jaipu Dojaithang, 42. 1 MA1, MK1 Myanmar assault rifle, 1 airgun, 45 40 live rounds ammunition, 22 fired cartridge and 1 car without registration number from their possession. Meanwhile, Manipur police has arrested an active cadre of KCP PWG yesterday from Bamdiar Awang Lekai. The arrested cadre has been identified as Konthojam Jiban Meitei, 43. 1 SLR rifle along with magazine, 2 303 rifle, 1 pump action gun BR, 3 sleeping bags, 40 badges of KCP PWG, 2 handset charger, 2 live round ammunitions of SLR, 2 live round ammunitions of 303, 12 live round ammunitions, pump action gun, including other warlike stores. The arrested cadre has been handed over to relevant police station for further investigation. Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Kunthramathoy Suba Imphal Book Fair English Singani Kunmari Pangthok Jaragani. State Central Library Imphal, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur na Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation Kolkata, Ministry of Culture, Government of India ga khusam naduna. Chatliba tha asigi tang tara mangadagi hauduna Kunmari fauba numit tarani chukna pangthokadaba Book Fair asida Manipur yauna mapalamgi book firm singna saruk yagadawri loinana lyric sing chada tara mangagi mamaltana miyamda famangadawi. Folk performer, reader, author, publisher singa unaduna wari sanaba, career counseling, quiz amadi, painting competition sing su pangthok jagani. Thoram pangthokadaba mafam State Central Library Imphal amasung Manipur State Archives Complex Kaisampat.
Dynamic Student of the Year 2024.
Dynamic Groups of Institution
Miyam giting bangaloinana.
Setliba academic session asidagi hauduna 2025 ta SSLC exam mayok nagadoriba students singi namakta khallaga
NEP 2020 de yumpham oiduna
Bosem gi syllabus amadi skill based co-curricular activities
jagoi isai storytelling poetry writing skills extempore amadi subject model explanation na chingbagi live performance ka
50-50 mark oigani
makok thonglaba nupa nupi mahiroida shilaibi amadi shilaiba haina mingtholaga loinana
Dynamic Student of the Year 2024.
Mangal naiba hayengi damak mating laiba ngasigi naharolsing.
Kaubiraganu Dynamic Student of the Year 2024 lakadoriba December gi tarik 19 2024 asida pangthoklagani.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. Security force conducted a search operation at Kairao Kuno of Imphal East District yesterday. During the operation, security force recovered 1 MA4 assault rifle, 1 12-bore single-barrel gun, 1 9mm pistol, 1.32 pistol, 3 hand grenade, 5 arming ring, 2 detonator, 30 5.56 mm ammunition, 2 12-bore ammunition, 3 9mm ammunition, 2.32 mm ammunition, 1 internet satellite antenna, 1 internet satellite router and 1 20-meter long FTP cable. The weapons were handed over to concerned police station for further investigation. The second edition of Tamenglong Christmas Marathon 2024 was successfully organized today under the theme Run for Health at Tamenglong District Headquarters. The event was organized by Adventure Club of Tamenglong in collaboration with Andurus, Rainforest Club Tamenglong, Pathfinder, Decathlon, 9 to 10 Shop, Liangtuang Gym, the Gyanview Mail, the Tamenglong Times and the Cham, and supported by the 6 Assam Rifles Tamenglong. 142 athletes, including men and women, participated in the marathon flagged off from Akhui and concluded at Jadanong Park. SP of Tamenglong, Lanmio Lui Kam, also distributed prizes to the winners. The first Yoga Asana Championship, organized by Manipur Yoga Society, Imphal, kicks off at EGC complex of Singjamai Community Hall today. The opening program was attended by Mahut Minister Yumnam Khemchan, Youth Affairs and Sports Department Director T. Fulen, Urologist Dr. Sinam Rajendra, social activist and Jeevan Mala, and Manipur Yoga Society President Dr. Basudev and other dignitaries. Speaking at the program, convener of Manipur Youth Society, Ahujam Ranjit, highlighted that those selected individuals from the championship will participate in the upcoming National Yoga Championship, which will be organized from 17 to 19 January of next year at Manipur, West Bengal. The first Yoga Asana Championship will be participated by approximately 50 male and 95 female yoga players.
Lakadoriba January 2025 ki 17 dagina 19 phawa asida National Yoga Championship ama Manipur West Bengal da pangthokadori hairiba asida yaurunabagi damta national selection taunaba sigumba trial selection ase mapam asida Manipur Yoga Society na pangthoksabani Kolkata dagi khala aba mi sing adu lakadoriba 25 asida Vietnam da akogi Asian amadi international gi oina hananabagi damakta adugumba championship ki ahan boina trial selection state ki pangthoksabani mathangda koi West Bengal da akoi national gi oina sakani adugi mathangda akoi Vietnam da soidana makhalaba satra sing adu akoi puthok sagani sport ta yamna thawai yawa medal kaya yarpa amadi Olympic ki medal lawba kaya yawkiba adugumna akoi yoga sisu naujaraga su tungda siguma phawa mioi puthoroknaba aduga phangiba facility khudimak akoi Olympic ta amadi national gi phangiba khudimak yoga da su phangadaba thaba ingkangi lai lai su tambagi aduga magi maki kota reserve na singba lairiba khudingmak sing ase khanjaraga ahan moina aikoi namasi haijadagasu akang hai mayam tanaraga aikoi siumba championship asi pangthok sabani
Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park CCSK, in collaboration with Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JANIMS), organized a medical camp cum awareness program at Kautuk village of Imphal West District today. Speaking to media, CCSK President Jitendra Nigomba expressed that the medical camp was organized to provide medical service to the villagers. He also emphasized the importance of a healthy society. Around 120 participants were provided with medical services such as cardiology, gynecology, pediatric, psychiatry, ENT and surgery. Medicines and BP measuring machines were also distributed at the medical camp. The participants were also told about the procedure of BP checkup.
Agency akoi koktuksi akoi Imphal dagi maningom thangma site ta kwai khamthengwa area ni kampu ga tayam jaga ni masigi jaga si hataki Manipur gi irang country sta kwai ri gaina yam sensitive oiba aduga halitana masida nomai kamnaba adugumba mafam ama oi ngasi ai bu misina yam sensitive oiba ya jaga aduga leiba miyam singsi tangdu leita da halitana nomai ka bakadra ko kadra haina khanner bu tanga tanja sida akoi yamna muru oina akoi health gi program se masigi matangda akoi JANIMS ki maiki gi lebiri akoi mang nak lebiri ko halaman chi ma tana ra ka da masi yam awareness program ma sathabu mathok tai haina koi khanar ko digi health program se pangthok bani leiwa ahan singda na sida angang singda mi bai ko ibse kamdong no pu ko phagadege haibigi akoi gi tongan mamakal gi treatment haidare adu su tokjaba loina loina masigi ana masida akoina lemna hidak pijaba.
And in the sports news, Manipur women's football team registered a 2-0 win against Orissa in the league round match of the ongoing 29th Senior Women's National Football Championship for Rajmata Jijabai Trophy being held at Chhattisgarh. Himam Shilki opened the scoring for Manipur in 58th minute and later Laishram Bibicha doubled the lead in the 78th minute of the match. Himam Shilki was adjudged the player of the match. Defending champion Manipur will play against Jharkhand in the next match on December 16. Meanwhile, in the 78th National Football Championship for Santosh Trophy, which is being held at Deccan Arena in Hyderabad, Manipur men's team defeated defending champion Services 1-0 in the Group A clash today. Sunjanthan Raghui scored the only goal of the match in the 96th minute. Manipur will face Rajasthan in the next match on December 16. Now, before we wrap up for this afternoon, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur State Legal Services Authority conducts fourth and final national Lok Adalat across district courts in Manipur. Sets target to resolve 2,900 cases. Border Roads Organization resumes fencing along Indo-Myanmar border in Tengnoupal district under Project Sewak. And 5-day Shumang Leela festival kicks off at Iboyima Shumang Leela Shangli. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyic.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment section. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Have a good day.